Today is Tuesday, September 22nd. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVILLE convertible right-hand passenger side door mirror for Yannick Savard in Terrebonne, Canada. And this will be shipping out today under global shipping. Very beautiful. I'll go ahead and turn the unit over, and we've got beautiful glass and beautiful chrome, and it includes the black rubber seal for the bottom of the stem for mounting. Okay, and it has the Cadillac Script on the front face of the rectangular head. And this is the 1968 DeVILLE variant with the corresponding stem that matches the door mounting requirements for the 68 DeVILLE. Also suitable for 69 and 70. Okay, this unit will be shipping out today to Yannick Savard in Terrebonne, Canada. Thank you very kindly.